Hey, what's up guys? I dig MGL for MrILoveMac.com here, and I'm going to do a upgrade on RAM on this brand new MacBook Pro. Here I have 8 gigs of RAM, and I'm going to install it on here, which only has 4 gigs at the moment. And yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Pops up. There we go. We have the lid off. And there is our Mac. Okay, so now to take off the RAM, let me just zoom in a little bit more. Maybe you can see a little bit better. Right here, and on the other side, right there, well, it's on the other side, there are two little, right there, there are two little knobs. And basically all you do is you just pull them apart and the RAM just pops up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So that was simple. All you do is you just ease it out. And that was also very simple. I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side. And then you just do the same thing again. And it'll pop up your second stick. Make sure it's all the way up. And there's our second. Okay, then we're gonna put in our new RAM. So one thing you have to make sure you do is line them up correctly. So when you're looking directly at it, it should go like this and directly inside the slot. And then when you feel that it's seated, you just push down. That's it. Now for the second, you just seat it in there. Nice and good. And then you click. And that's it. We now have 8 gigs installed, and now all there's left is really just to boot it up. Alright, let's see. So now all we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the Apple and we're going to check about this Mac, and here you can see we have 8 gigabytes of 1066 DDR3 memory installed. So yeah, it's really easy, and it's just another way to make the Mac that you know and love that much better. Thanks for watching. That's been I Dig MGL for MrILoveMac.com, and thanks for watching.